now we will verify the half adder. So this is a half adder circuit. Half adder circuit has only two 1-bit inputs. So this is a exclusive OR gate which performs the addition operation of these 2 bits, and if there is any carry, then that carry bit is here. So the carry is generated when both the input A and input B are 1. The output of this AND gate is 1, that is carry. So first we will verify the operation of this half adder. So when both the inputs are 0, sum of 0 plus 0, sum is 0, carry is 0. When this input B is 1 and A is 0, 0 plus 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. So when A is 1, B is 0, 1 plus 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. And when A is 1, B is 1, 1 plus 1, exclusive OR of 1 and 1 is 0. So sum is 0, and operation of A and B is 1, so carry is 1. So we will verify this. Now first we will give input B. Next we will connect input A, then we will connect output. This is the input A, B, input A. This is a sum bit output. This is carry bit. Now we will verify the operation just now stated, that is the truth table. So when 0 0, so you can see that these LEDs are not glowing. So this LED and this LED, it is here, it is not glowing. Since these inputs are 0 0, as you can see the output sum is 0, carry is 0. Now let us set the input condition 0 1, that is input A 0 and input B 1. So let us make the input B 1 and keep input A 0. So we can see this LED is glowing, and you can see the output. This is connected, this is a sum bit, this is a sum bit, exclusive OR output. This LED is glowing. Now we will set the next condition where B is 0 and A is 1. So this is input A. So this LED is glowing, so input A is 1 and this LED is not glowing, that is input B is 0. As you can see, this is a sum bit output of XOR gate, and this LED is glowing. So this is a condition 1 0. Next we have to set both the input A and B 1 1. So let us say and set it. So you can see this input A is 1, this is input A, and this is input B is also 1. As you can see here, this is a carry bit. So 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. Carry is 1, sum is 0. So this LED is not glowing and this is glowing. Thus we have verified the half adder. Now we will be studying half subtractor. In a half subtractor, this is a single bit input A and single bit input B. So two single bit input, we can perform subtraction operation. So when both the input A and input B are 0, the 0 minus 0, the difference is 0 and borrow is 0. Now when A is 0 and B is 1, 0 minus 1, the difference is 1, borrow is also 1. When A is 1, B is 0, 1 minus 0, difference is 1, borrow is 0. And when both A and B are 1, 1 minus 1, difference is 0, borrow is also 0. So we will verify this operation. So we will now connect the input A. We are setting first to 0. So this is off condition. Input B, again this is off condition. Now we will connect the difference output and borrow output to the LEDs. As you can see, we have made the connection. Now both input A and input B are 0. So 0 minus 0, difference is 0, so this LED is off, and borrow is also 0, so this LED is also off. Now we will make B is equal to 1, so set this LED glowing. So this is B is 1, A is 0, so 0 minus 1, difference is 1 and borrow is also 1. Next we will set A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0. So as you can see, 1 minus 0, difference is, you can see this is a difference. So difference is 1, borrow, this is a borrow bit. So this is 0, not glowing. Next we will set both A and B 1. So in this case, 1 minus 1, difference is 0, borrow is 0. So both the LEDs are off. Thus we have verified half subtractor.